So in this video, I'm going to share 5 practical techniques to help you tackle stage fright and performance anxiety. And these tips have really helped me, and I've done some really big performances at the Royal Albert Hall, the O2 Arena in London, and these tips have helped me. So I just want to share them with you, and I want you to be able to walk onto stage as the confident, bold singer that I know that you are. It's already inside of you. Sometimes we just need to pull it out. All right, so let's talk about it. So the key is not to avoid stage fright and anxiety. Sometimes we might try and avoid putting ourselves into situations where we're going to feel that, right? But what we can do when we are in those situations with the right mindset and preparation is we can channel that energy and make it more of an empowering experience. We just need to reframe those nerves as excitement. And I know, always easier said than done, but it's essential to understand that stage fright, it isn't a sign of weakness, it's the body's natural response to what it perceives as a threatening situation. The racing heart, the dry mouth, the sweaty palms, the shaky knees, the shaky voice, and just feeling like you completely lost control. These are all the body's way of gearing up for an important event, which is your performance. So let's get into some practical techniques to really help tackle this head on. I know these tips are gonna help you just as they've helped me. So the first one is a grounding exercise, which is so powerful. You have to ground yourself before stepping onto stage. Plant your feet firmly into the floor. Feel the solid floor beneath you. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and fully visualize yourself delivering an incredible performance. This is a mental rehearsal, and it will help to ground and center you in the present moment. And it is a powerful exercise, so try it before you next perform, and I promise you it will help.